Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here, and I have a big box of clothing, I believe it's clothing, fashions to add to my Poshmark closet. This is a mystery box, and this box was sent to me by my friend Kari from Kari T Says. I will link her channel and her video in the description box below because today's video is a collaboration. Yeah, Kari and I decided to send one another a box of fashion, and there is a theme, there's a topic, and the theme is St. Patrick's Day. I was really excited. I am an Irish girl, and Kari is doing collaborations for the holidays throughout 2020, throughout the entire year. So if you are interested in doing a holiday collaboration, hit Kari up. Now, being the Irish girl that I am, I signed up as soon as I found out for St. Patrick's Day, thinking that was going to be a lot of fun. It was very, very hard. And I'll tell you why, because when I was out thrifting for items to send to Kari, I wanted to send her fabulous things that I found in the thrift stores here in New Mexico, but I just kept being drawn to the color green. Yes. So I sent Kari some green stuff. You guys, make sure you go to her channel, check out the box that I sent her, and this is the box that she sent me. Look how big it is. It's really big. The last collaboration we did, we sent one another 6 items, and I think both of us overdid it on this one. So without further ado, I am going to open this box. You guys, if you are new to this channel, I would like to welcome you. If you're coming over here from Kari's channel, I want to welcome you. I am so glad that you are visiting my channel. I hope you'll stay, subscribe, and join me for future videos. And to all my returning subscribers, hello everyone. It is so nice to see you. Okay, got my knife. Yeah, I use a knife. Oh my gosh, you guys, this box is filled to the brim. Yes. Here's a note from Kari. Let me look real quick. She says, okay, this is what Kari says. I got you a specific St. Paddy's Day card and I can't find it. I get it, Kari. This was the holdup. I went a little crazy, but you deserve it. And thank you for being you. I adore you. Your friend, Kari. That's so sweet, Kari. Thank you very much. I needed to hear that today. So, you know, that practicing kindness, you just never know when someone needs it. So thank you, Kari. And you guys can see everything is individually wrapped. I'm going to unwrap it all and share it with you. Hold on just a sec. Okay, I'm back. Everything is out of plastic, almost everything. There was a couple things that looked so interesting that I didn't unwrap them because I want to do that on camera with you. But you guys saw this. On the very top of the box is this fabulous jacket. And this is by the brand Port of Call. This one is a size large. Did you see that? Did you see this green faux fur lining? This is magnificent. I love this jacket, and this is a perfect jacket for today. It's kind of like a windbreaker, and it's actually raining in New Mexico. That doesn't happen very often. We only get enough rain in New Mexico to just make our weeds thrive. So this looks really, really interesting and fun to wear and cozy on top of that. So I love this. Okay, the next piece is, it's a skirt. Look at this. This is so beautiful. It's one of those crinkle skirts with kind of the lettuce hem on it. It's got the zip closure in the back, and the brand on this one is Calvin Klein. What size are you? Size 8. I don't know if that will fit me by St. Patrick's Day. Let me see if it's silk. It feels like silk, but you know, sometimes those poly fabrics, they can trick you. And okay, here it is. Be silk. Be silk. It's 100% silk. Oh, I thought so. This is lovely. I love this skirt. Even styled with a t-shirt, this would be beautiful, but I mean, this would look really nice dressed up with the lovely blouse. So I love that piece. Next up is something in olive green, and this is by the brand Caliber. CDMG. Let me show you the tag. And I'm wondering if this has something to do. Okay, here's what it looks like. And this looks like it might be, let's see, what does it say there? I'm going to have to research this, but this looks like it might be some kind of a hunting shirt. Now, this one is new with tags, and yeah, I really don't know much about this. In our last box swap, I did send Kari a purse that was a concealed weapon purse. So she sent me a hunting top, which is really cool. Actually, I'm going to ask my brother-in-law, who is an avid hunter, about this top because I'm guessing he probably has one. This is so interesting, and I'm excited to add this one to my Poshmark closet if my brother-in-law doesn't snag it from me. What size was it? I don't know if it's his size. This one's an extra large. That's a great size. Okay, the next thing we have is Express Design Studio. This one is a size small, and this is just a button-up top, but it does have, it's green with a really slight stripe in it. I love these colors. This is perfect for the office on St. Patrick's Day. You guys, tell me, what do you wear on St. Patrick's Day? I was asking my girlfriend as I was preparing for this collab, and she said, I always wear a drinking shirt. And I was like, yeah, I know, but you can't wear a drinking shirt to work, right? You have to wear something like this or something in green, or like me, green earrings. I mean, you know what I mean. Please leave it in the comments what you plan on wearing on St. Patrick's Day. Is it just a pop of green somewhere? This is a great top, and this one is a size small. So, okay, next up we have, this is so pretty. I don't even know what it is, but it's so pretty. It's by the brand Le Tigre. There it is, size small. This is a cardigan. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love this. Yeah, this is the Irish girl in me that says this is so gorgeous. And then it does have the little tiger emblem there. This is so pretty. And the striped cuffs. This is great. I like this so much. Again, this is another piece I want to wear. I'm going to wear all green until St. Patrick's Day, I think, because I want to wear everything that Kari sent before I list it in my Poshmark closet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. Adorable. Okay, this is just, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is just, this is a little, it feels like a hand knit baby sweater. Look at those buttons. Those are leather buttons, or they sure feel like leather buttons. And this is by the brand Blarney, Wallen Mills, Ireland, size small. This is so beautiful. I want to frame this. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I'm not going to sell this, guys. I'm going to frame this and probably put this in my office in a shadow box. Isn't that excellent? I don't know much about Irish brands at all. I don't know much about Ireland. I just know I'm Irish. I was raised by an Irish father, and so I'm Irish, and I want some Irish clothes in my house. Now I have it. Next up is something silky. And this is by the brand Oscar de la Rente. This looks, I don't know if this is a shell or a piece of a pajama. There is the label on it. It's an extra large, and this is in gorgeous shape. Beautiful, like never worn. Look at how great the lace looks on that. This is so pretty. And you know, honestly, this would make a nice shell too. If you like the silky fabric, I love silky fabric. This is beautiful. The next piece that she sent is awesome. It will not be for sale in my Poshmark closet. She sent me a silver candy dish in the shape of a clover, perfect for an Irish girl who's not eating candy. So I'm going to put like a candy that I don't like. Root beer balls I do not like. My husband likes them, so I'm going to get some root beer balls to put in my clover silver dish. Thank you so much, Kari. I love this. Okay, the next piece is, look at this color. And I think this might be like a bathrobe. It is such a beautiful color, and it's a super soft knit. This is by the brand Kari Reed. Kari Reed? Kelly! Check it out, Kari Reed. I love that. Kari Reed woman. Again, this is a brand I'm not familiar with. Kari knows a lot more brands than I do. So this is like a midi length robe, and it's super soft. What size are you? It's polyester. It looks like it might be vintage. I don't know my vintage, but this is a size 22W, but it looks a little bit smaller than that. I don't know. I will list this with the measurements, and vintage I think runs a little bit smaller than our modern day sizes. So this is a gorgeous color and super soft robe. Guys, Kari really did go nuts. She did send some jewelry. Kari does so many hauls, guys. She does jewelry, she does hard goods, she does lots and lots of mystery box unboxings, and oh wow, this is gorgeous. Okay, let me see. Which finger can I put it on? Do I have a finger that it fits? Look at that ring. Look at that ring. It is beautiful. So it's a silver tone, and then it has like the emerald stone in it. Really, really pretty. Ooh, okay. I like that. I actually have some earrings that will match that very nicely. And then next she sent, is this a necklace? Oh, this is so unusual. Wow, this is pretty. And this does have a tag on it. And guys, I don't have my glasses on, so I can't read it. I don't know who the maker is. I'm so sorry. But this is what the necklace looks like. This is so pretty. This beaded necklace. And then, let's see, let me get it. Can you see that there? Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, that matches perfect with the blouse that I'm wearing right now. Okay, there's one more thing. I don't know if it's clothes or not, but she did wrap it very carefully. Sorry for the noise. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is why she had it so carefully wrapped. It's a mug. Okay, I'm gonna cover up the price tag and share it with you. She did leave me an email saying that she had sent some things that maybe I would want to keep for myself. I want to keep everything for myself, but this one has an Irish prayer on the other side of it, and the prayer says, "May the road rise to meet you, may the wind be always at your back, may the sun shine warm upon your face, may the rain fall soft upon your fields, and until we meet again, may God hold you in the palm of his hand." Amen. Wow, I'm keeping this, Kari. I'm going to enjoy my coffee on St. Patrick's Day in this mug, wearing this ring, and I can't decide which item of clothing I want to wear as well. Thank you very much for sending me some awesome pieces in this box. This has been so much fun, and I want to give a great big shout out to my friend Kari, and I truly want to encourage all of you to visit Kari's channel and subscribe. She is this close to 1,000 subscribers, and I know that we can get her to that 1,000 subscriber mark if we all just pull together. So please visit her channel, give her a thumbs up, subscribe, tell her that Kelly sent you. That would be awesome. Guys, thank you so much for sticking around to the very end. You are awesome. Aren't mystery boxes wonderful? Guys, everything that I'm not keeping, you can find listed in my Poshmark closet. My Poshmark closet name is Kelly Shaffner. I always have it listed in the description box below, as well as my Instagram account. If you want to follow me on this reselling journey, please follow me on Instagram and I'll follow you right back. Okay, guys? I have more fun videos coming out for you this week, so make sure that you're subscribed and tap the bell. And in the meantime, my wishes to you, the Irish prayer. You can pause the video and read the prayer. Irish blessings.